to say night tennis at Tennis Jamaica, but first of all, your thoughts on this reality?
Well, it's like a dream come true because here we are playing tennis. It's been in the works for I don't know how many years, but it really is. We're able to play. We're playing up to maybe 8, 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock as need be. And the tournament has kicked off in a wonderful way. And this is the second day of literally a 10-day event. As of right now, the men's, we have a 32 draw. We have Jacob Bicknell, who more than likely will be the number one seed in the men's. And we have his brother, Blaze Bicknell, playing in the men's doubles. Um, and we have many other quality players. I mean, too many to even mention at this point. So the quality is there. The ladies are out. All of our top Billie Jean King Cup players are participating. And, it's just going to be some high-level tennis